Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll work on strengthening our lower back because our lower back helps us stabilize, it helps us improve our posture, and this sequence is also good if you have lower back pain. So let's start our practice for today. You can sit in cross-legged position how I am sitting. However, if you have any stress or discomfort in your lower back today, you can take one leg out and sit like this, or you can elevate yourself. You can have a blanket below your hips, or you can sit on a block. So once you're comfortably sitting, close your eyes, rest your hands gently on your knees and lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders. Allow your thoughts to be at the back of your mind and let yourself be in present. The easiest way to stay in present for me is always to connect to the breath. So just breathe naturally, breathing in and out through your nose. And together, let's take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in. Bringing in some awareness to your spine and your lower back, breathe in. And breathe out, exhale longer than your inhalation. Continue, breathe in. Bringing in awareness to your lower back, to your sit bones, breathe in. And breathe out, lengthen your exhalation. Let's take one more deep breath, breathe in and breathe out. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. Let's continue with our practice. So before we work on strengthening our lower back, we will work on releasing the areas. The tightness of those areas can also lead to stress in the lower back. Okay, so you're going to lie down and we are going to work on releasing our hip flexor and hamstring and relax our lower back. Okay, so just lie down. Let your upper body be relaxed and gently hug your right leg in, let your left leg be bent. So we're going to start with releasing our hip flexor. You have an option to extend your left leg or let your left leg be bent. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed. Keep hugging your right leg in, keep breathing. So the tightness of hip flexor often lead to lower back stress. Keep hugging your right leg in, keep breathing. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently extend your right leg, okay? And see where you can hold your right leg from. Maybe your toes, maybe your ankle, maybe your shin, okay? Focus on straightening and extending your right leg and not where you hold it from. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed. And then you try to get your right leg closer to your body. Soft bend your arms, releasing your hamstrings. Curl your toes in for your right foot. Keep breathing. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend your right leg, and if you were extending your left leg, get your left leg in and rest your right heel on top of your left knee. Okay, and drawing your right knee down towards the mat and release your left foot. Hold your left knee from outside, or you can hold your left thigh wherever you are comfortable from, wherever you feel the maximum stretch and you feel comfortable. Let your tailbone, lower back relax on the mat. Breathe. Releasing your hips. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently relax your left foot, rest it on the mat, release your right leg back on the mat. Now we're going to do this on the left side. So hug your left leg in, your right leg can be slightly bent or you can extend your right leg. Keep hugging your left leg in, keep breathing, relaxing your shoulders and your neck and your head on the mat. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently extend your left leg as much as you can and hold it from wherever you can comfortably hold, relaxing your neck and shoulder on the mat. Okay, your right leg can be bent or extended. And then when you are comfortable, try to get your left leg closer to your body. You can soft bend your arms, keep breathing. Don't hyperextend your left knee. Curl your toes in for your left foot, keep breathing. Releasing your hamstring on the left side for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently bend your left leg. Draw your right leg in if you were extending it. So let your right leg be bent and rest your left heel on top of your right knee, dropping your left knee towards the mat. And then release your right foot off the mat. Hug your right knee in. You can adjust the position of your hand to hold your right thigh or your knee. And let your lower back and your tailbone relax on the mat and breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently relax your right foot back on the mat and relax your left leg back on the mat as well. Now let's do spinal twist. So just extend your arms at the shoulder level. Your legs are bent. Breathe in, lift your legs up. Breathe in. Breathe out, take your legs bent to the left side and you look in the opposite direction to the right and breathe. Resting your right shoulder back on the mat. And then you gently get the legs back to the center. Breathe in. And breathe out to your right and you're looking in the opposite direction to your left. Resting your left shoulder back on the mat. Continue to breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Get your left leg back to the center. Breathe out to release. Okay. From here, we're going to come in prone position, lying down on our tummy. So lying down on your tummy, come in baby cobra. So you're on your forearms, your elbows underneath your shoulders, your elbows are shoulder width apart. Okay, and you can have some space in between your legs to let your lower back relax. So observe if you feel any pinch in your lower back, you can adjust your legs. You can widen it, adjust the space in between your legs, and then you press into your palms, lift your heart, relax your shoulders away from your ears. Continue to breathe. This will help you stretch the front body and help you awaken your spine and your lower back, strengthening your lower back. Breathe. Pressing into your toes, pressing into your palms. Continue to breathe. Stay here for 3 breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Now gently lower down your chest and get your palms underneath your shoulders. Elbows closer to the body. Fingers are wide open. You're going to press into your palms. Lift your chest up. Breathe in. Hold it here. And breathe out. Elbows bent closer to your body. Get your chest closer to the mat. Breathe out. We're going to do this few times. Breathe in. Lift your chest up. Strengthening your lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Go as far as your lower back is comfortable. Okay, if you feel any pinch, just stop at that point. Don't overdo. And breathe out, down. Breathe in up. And breathe out, down. Two more times, press into your palms, lift your chest up, breathe in. Have a slight bend in your arms and breathe out, down. One more time, breathe in up. Hold it here. And breathe out, down. Now come in this crocodile position, resting your chin on your palms facing down. Okay. Take 3 breaths here, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, one more, breathe in, and breathe out. Now take your palms underneath your shoulders, press into your palms, lift your chest up, breathe in, and breathe out. Get your legs in, coming in all 4 position. Now when you're here, check your wrist under your shoulders. Wrist shoulder width apart, fingers are wide open, knees are hip width apart, okay, and knees underneath your hips. We're going to do cat and cow. So you're going to drop your belly, chin away from your chest, breathe in, taking your weight away from your mat. So don't sink in your mat. Really good for relaxing your lower back and your spine. And breathe out. Round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. 2 more of this. Breathe in. Drop your belly, chin away from your chest, shoulders relaxed, away from your ears. Breathe out, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Rounding your spine. 1 more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin away from your chest, shoulders relaxed. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Get your spine to neutral position now, and we are going to do bird dog now. This will help us strengthen our core and our lower back. So you're going to extend your right arm out and extend your left leg out. So your left foot, left hip, left shoulder in line, and breathe. And press into your left palm, take your weight away from your mat. Don't let your left hip lift up. So let the left hip face down, square your hips. Curl your toes in for your left foot and keep pressing your left heel back. Breathe. Engaging your quads, your inner thighs. Hold it here, continue to breathe. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax your right hand and just do the toe touch, getting your left toes to touch the mat and lift up, down and up. Okay, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up. 2 more times. Breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up. Okay, now let your left leg come in, resting your left knee down. Now from here, switch side, extend your left arm and your right leg. Curl your toes in for your right foot. Take your weight away from your right palm, extending your left arm forward, right leg back. Send your right heel back. Engage your right quads, your inner thighs. Squeeze in your quads. Keep breathing. Stay here. And again, don't let your right hip face up, okay? Let your right hip face down, square your hips, both the hips in line for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep breathing, 2, 1. Now rest your left hand down, toe touch, down and up, 1, 2, 3, yes, breathe out, down and up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then you get your right knee in and take a restorative position here, going in child pose. So you can just make your knees wide as your mat or as wide as you are comfortable, joining your big toes together. Take your hips towards your heels, stretch your arms forward, rest your forehead down if it reaches comfortably, and keep taking the weight back towards your heels, extending your arms forward. Breathe. Staying here for 3 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more, breathe in and breathe out. Okay, gently draw your palms in, coming on all fours again. Now from here, you're going to step your right leg forward. Right knee is on top of your right ankle. Push your left leg back. We are releasing our hip flexor. Really important to release the hip flexor, because tight hip flexor leads to lower back stress. So you're on your fingertips, lifting your heart, open your chest, press into your fingertips, relax your shoulders, breathe. Stay here for a few seconds. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rest your left palm down and open your body to the right. Take your right arm up. Look towards your right hand. Tuck your toes for your left foot. Lift your left knee up if you're comfortable, or you can rest it down. Continue to breathe. And don't sink in your left palm. Take your weight away from your left palm. Shoulders are in line. You are breathing. Sending your left heel back. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your right hand back and take your right leg in. And let's get our left leg forward now. Left knee was on top of your left ankle. Push your right leg back. You're on your fingertips, press into your fingertips, lift your heart, open your chest, breathe. Releasing your right hip flexor, keep breathing. Now gently rest your right palm down, open your body to the left, take your left arm up, breathe in and breathe out. Now if you're comfortable, you can tuck your toes for your right foot, lift your right knee up, breathe. Twisted Anjaneya Asana. And again, don't sink in your right palm. Take the weight away from your right palm, from your mat. Shoulders are in line. You are breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Get your left hand down. And get your left leg in. Rest your palms down. You're going to go in downward dog from here. So open your fingers wide, press into your palms, tuck your toes, lift your knees up, and feel free to bend your legs if that's more comfortable for you. Don't worry if your heels are not touching the mat. Focus on lengthening your spine, pushing your torso towards your thighs. Keep breathing. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Staying here for 3 breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more, breathe in and breathe out. Now gently step your right leg forward. Okay, we are going to do pyramid pose and rest. Let your left foot relax back. Left toes comes in. Extend both the legs, resting your left heel back on the mat. Left toes comes in. Rest your palms or your fingertips down. Take your head towards your right shin. Now when you're doing this, don't hyperextend your knees. So have a slight bend in your legs. Don't lock your knees. Breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently, slightly bend your right leg. Take your right leg back. Go in downward dog. Catch your breath. And then you slowly step your left leg forward. We do pyramid pose on the left side. Resting your right heel back on the mat, towards the mat. Right toes comes in. Extending both the legs. You can be on your fingertips or your palms. Take your head towards your left shin. Breathe. A nice deep stretch at the back of your left leg. Keep sending your right heel back on the mat. Taking your head towards your left shin. Keep breathing. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your left leg back. Go back in downward dog. And from downward dog, rest your knees down. Come back in prone position again. Okay. Now just rest your chin down on your palms, facing your mat. And then from here, lift your right leg up, squeezing your hips a bit. If you start to feel a pinch in your lower back, you can adjust the height of your right leg accordingly and rest it down. We're going to do this 4 more times. Lift it up, breathe in, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. One more time, breathe in up, breathe out, down. Okay, now we're going to switch on the other side. On the left side, lift your left leg up, breathe in, breathe out, down, breathe in up, breathe out, down. 3 more times, breathe in up, breathe out, down, breathe in up, breathe out, down, and one more time, breathe in up, breathe out, down. Okay. From here, we're going to lift our alternate leg and hand. So you're going to lift your right hand and then your left leg up. Okay. And lift it up, breathe in, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, 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 breathe out, down. 2 more times, breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Okay, now get your right arm in, extend your left arm and your right leg, lift it up, breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Lift your chest up, breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. 2 more times, breathe in up, breathe out, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Okay, now get your left hand in. Now we're going to lift both the legs up, both the arms up. Shalabhasana. And now you're going to just lower down your hands and lower down your legs. Down, breathe out, breathe in up. Lower down your hands and legs, breathe out, breathe in, lift it up. Breathe out, down, breathe in up, breathe out, down, breathe in up. 2 more times, breathe out, down, breathe in up, breathe out, down, Breathe in up. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax your legs, get your hands in, relaxing in crocodile pose, Makarasana, resting your chin on your palms facing down. Observe how you feel in your lower back. Staying here for one more breath, breathe in and breathe out. Gently take your palms underneath your shoulders, press into your palms, lift yourself up and get your legs extended and get your right leg over left leg. Gently extend your left arm up, breathe in, breathe out, hug your right leg in and twisting to your right, drawing your right shoulder back. Keep breathing. Twisting is really good for strengthening your spine, your lower back. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, breathe out back to the center. Let your right leg come down and switch. Left leg over right leg, sit long, extend your right arm up, breathe in. Breathe out, hug your left leg in with your right arm, draw your left shoulder back, twist to your left, keep sitting long, keep breathing, lifting your heart for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, breathe out, release. Okay, extend your left leg and now take your arms up, breathe in. Lengthen through your spine and breathe out, come forward. You can rest your hand wherever it reaches comfortably. If you feel any stress in your lower back, you can always bend your legs and focus on lengthening your spine. If you're extending your legs, don't lock your knee and breathe. Stay here for 3 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Gently release your hands, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, arms down. Okay, we're going to lie down on our back now and let your legs be bent. We're going to do bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lie down, relax your upper body. Heels closer to the hips, arms by the side of your body, palms facing down. You're going to press into your palms and lift your hips up, your lower back, middle back, upper back up. So let your hips and hamstring do most of the work. Let your upper body be relaxed. Squeeze in your hips. Lift your hips slightly more higher. Breathe. Get the weight back on your shoulders. Relax, taking your chest to the chin, chin to the sky. Keep breathing. Pressing into your palms and feet for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently lower down your upper back, middle back, lower back, hips down. Hug your knees and gently swing side to side, relaxing and massaging your lower back. Breathe. You can make small circles with your knees. Deep massage for your sacrum, for your lower back. Change side. You can take few circles on each side. And then you gently rest your feet down and open your knees in a butterfly position, coming in sleeping butterfly Supta Baddha Konasana. You can rest your hands gently on your abdomen. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed. Okay, just let your heart rate, breath rate back to normal. Cool down. And you can slowly get your legs in. Extend your legs in Shavasana, arms by the side of your body, palms facing up. Continue to breathe. And then you slowly get your awareness back in your body, moving your toes and fingers gently. Take your arms up by the side of your ears, interlace your fingers, breathe in, give yourself a nice long stretch, breathe in. Breathe out, release your hands, arms by the side of your body, turn to the side of your mat, and then gently with the help of your hands, make your way up, sitting in cross-legged position, Sukhasana. So we are done with the practice for today. So this is a short yoga routine that you can follow to strengthen your lower back. And I hope you will find some relief in your lower back pain also. Make sure you do this sequence more than one time to really feel the effect in your lower back. And do let me know how you felt after today's practice. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again. Namaste.